The thermal energy. The term thermal energy is used loosely in various contexts in physical and engineering. It can refer to several different well-defined physical concepts. These include the internal energy or thermodynamics work and the characteristic energy of a degree of freedom in a system that is described in terms of its microscopic particulate constituents. The temperature and Kb denotes the Boltzmann constant. Relation to heat and internal energy. In thermodynamic, heat is energy transferred to or from a thermodynamic system by a mechanism other than thermodynamics works or transfer of matter. Heat refers to a quantity transfer between systems, not a property of any one system or contained within it. On the other hand, internal energy and enthalpy are properties of a single system. Heat and work depend on the way in which an energy transfer occurred, whereas internal energy is a property of the state of a system and can thus be understood without knowing how the energy got there. In a statistical mechanical account of an ideal gas in which the molecule moves independently between instantaneous collisions, the internal energy is the sum total of the gas independent particles kinetic energies and its kinetic motion, that is source and the effect of the transfer of heat across a system boundary. For a gas that does not have particles interactions except of instantaneous collisions, the term thermal energy is effectively synonymous with internal energy. In many statistical physics texts, thermal energy refers to KT, the product of Boltzmann constant, and the absolute temperature, also written as kBT in a Martial, especially in condensed matter such as liquid or a solid, in which the constituent particles such as molecules or ions interact strongly with one another. The energies of such interactions contribute strongly to the internal energy of the body, but are not simply apparent in the temperature. The term thermal energy is also applied to the energy carried by a heat flow, although this can also simply be called heat or quantity of heat. Historical context. In an 1847 lecture titled On Matter, Living Force and Heat, James Prescott Joule characterized various terms that are closely related to thermal energy and heat.